What's up, guys? If you enjoy the following lesson, check out my full library of lessons on www.vimeo.com/on-demand/popping. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for further content coming up. Yo, what up? This is Jrock, represent Animated Beat Mechanics, DB family. This lesson is about the puppet style, and basically a lot of people have asked me what the difference is between Scarecrow and Puppet, that they're very similar. They have subtle differences. If you haven't checked out my Scarecrow tutorial, check it out, and you'll definitely see the difference between the two. They're actually very different. So the puppet style, a lot of people, well, who created Puppet? I mean, Puppet was created maybe thousands of years ago when people were making just puppets or puppeteering things. Mimes, lots of mimes have done it. Robert Shields has an amazing puppet. So think about the character first before you even start to dance. A puppet is, you're a puppet, so you move, but you're not really, you're similar to a robot, or you could be like, you could have awareness, kind of like a Pinocchio or whatever, but you're not in control of your own movement. Someone else up there is controlling the strings. So everything happens kind of like, whoa, like a surprise to you, because you're not aware of what's going on. Someone else is controlling you. That's one way to think about the character. Or you can zone out like a robot and not have any character facial-wise, but it's still that same body reaction. This old mime that, I misplaced his name, but he taught a valuable lesson about puppet, which was, first of all, to become a puppet, you're never going to just be strong standing there like this. If you look at a puppet, it's never standing still, it's always kind of floating in space. So if you're holding it from strings, it's like, it's always kind of woo. So you can have this little vibe. I'm rocking my weight back and forth on my heels and my toes, almost like a moonwalk. So it's kind of got this feel to it. You can start freaking it back and forth, change the direction with it. And again, let your head, everything's very loose, but it's that off balance feeling because you're not in control of the movement. So you should never start puppet like mad still and doing just wrists like this. That to me is not puppet fully. You have to commit to the character. So start getting that vibe of being flowy. Then as you start mixing the pure puppet with other dance styles, you can switch the rules, like being grounded. If you're doing popping with puppet, then you're more grounded, right? But to become a better puppet, you should practice puppet by itself. So,
in and out of puppeting, utilizing, looking like a puppet. Your arms, soft head, soft arms at the wrist, soft legs.
mental of it. The technique or the physical, you start thinking about strings being attached at different parts of your body. My wrist, pulling up, dropping. From the wrist, from the elbow. Right? From the shoulder. Elbow, wrist, head, wrist. You start getting the idea of it. So think of these different parts of your body that isolate, that where the string is coming from. Think of up, down. When you drop, it's like when you drop something, it's gravity's pulling you. So it doesn't have resistance to it. It's drop it. Drop, just drop your arm. Boom, relax it. Let it naturally swing. And as you see, as it keeps swinging, it slowly comes smaller and smaller, like a bounce stop. Same thing, head. Right? Everything comes settled. And then you can always start a new movement to interrupt that. So this is, again, getting into the movement. You can have a string here to your chest. Boom. To your hip. To the back of your, there. To your knee. All together. So you're thinking of these strings going up. Now, if you remember me talking about scarecrow style, the timing was up. For puppet, it's the opposite. And this is where I start talking about the styles are very different on a basic level. Is that the puppet is. So on that clap. 6, 7, 8. You see the difference on the timing of the scarecrow was up. So when you're thinking about the basic timing of puppet, if you just want to do drills, you can just go up, ta, ta. Let that wrist be loose and pretend like you're setting it down on a table. Ta, ta, up. You can play with the timing of the up, that really you're being jerked. Boom, up. Or it can be more gradual. Up, ta. Up, up, You can go to the floor with it. You can really start playing with like ground moves. Pop, pop, pop. Start getting up off the ground. Again, it's just playing with the style. You should have a lot of fun with it. Again, going back to the pure puppet vibe. You can think about it also as a robot. So in robot, we think about moving one thing at a time, right? We move the arm, then we move the head, then we move the arm, move the head, but it stays there, right? Do the same thing with the puppet. Film yourself and you'll see that you're creating that illusion that you're really a puppet. So I can go, see how I just used one arm, another arm, my head. You can start playing with that.
Puppet. Now, puppeting, I can't say, oh, here's a move in the puppet style, because it's a style made up of many moves, but it's a style. And the moves are not singular, they're continuous, okay?
Back to the puppet. Here we go. So what you want to do with the puppet is also, after you have a basic feel of it, you want to start playing with the pops, because really at first you're not popping, it's just that feel of boom, 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 boom. But you can also go so I'm putting the pop on it as well. But again, I gotta have the feel. Think of the angles too. Think of all the possible angles that are awkward, like really crossing your arms, getting into weird angles and popping there. That's gonna give you a lot of options. And just like all the other styles, you can get as creative as you want. A puppet can wave. You can start playing with the timing of boom, wave off of it. You can hit an isolation. Right? Robot puppet or mechanical puppet. Which should feel a lot different. So if you find yourself trying to do the regular puppet and you look too mechanical, really commit to that looseness and the flow, turn.
See, opposed to popping, you're hitting every count. Bam, boom, 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 bam, bam, boom, 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 bam, boom, boom, which is pop. Okay, puppet you can hit every 3 counts or every 4 counts. You go boom, bam, boom, boom. Bam! Boom! 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 Bam! So it's not necessary for you to hit every angle.
Okay, so lastly, to get your real basic foundational puppet on a nice level feeling wise, is start playing with momentum and just the anatomy of your body. Like if I twist, see how my arms can continue. Boom, head, left. Or I might act like I'm being pulled this way. Boom, head, hook, last, boom, boom. Always think of how you can swing your leg, swing your arms, and how they would react naturally if they were loose. Twisted. Boom. Flat. Boom, 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 boom. So basically, to sum it up, as you're learning puppet, remember to first really understand the character. Take your time, think about it. Get your mental that you're really actually a puppet, and that you're helpless and you're on strings, and that gravity has control of you, and then someone's pulling up in gravity. So think about the character. Reference some of the old guys that have done it. Skeeter Rabbit had amazing puppet style. Robert Shields has amazing puppet style. There's a lot of people out there that have done good puppet. Another good thing to do is really practice your isolations. So think about every part of your body that can, shoulder, elbow, wrist, the timing of it, you know? Once you get all the body parts, really practice going up, down, up. Head, right? Get the timing down. Then play with it. Same thing like you did with the other styles. When you do like a walkout, you can do a puppet version. You can do a twisto flex as a puppet. You start blending these foundational moves and styles with them. Remember, try to play with robot, taking your puppet, waving your puppet, boogling your puppet. Really, the possibilities are endless. So check out some demonstrations, view the videos as many times as you need.